Today's entry from Radical Wisdom, a daily journal for leaders by Regi Campbell. Pouring in, pouring out. Look around your community and you'll find Jesus followers. The Bible calls these people disciples. They are learners and followers of Jesus. Learners listen. They take notes. Some of them read. They get information about Jesus and what Christians should do. They show up in church and watch preachers on TV. Some might think they're the backbone of the organized church. I'm not so sure. Followers are different. They learn, but then they actually try to live out what they've learned, to live like Jesus told them to. They try to model Jesus in their lives. Their faith isn't out there. It's in here. They initiate. They put principles into practice. They live examined lives and learn from their mistakes. The church needs more learners to become followers. Learners find it easy to become reservoirs and survive on the living water of Jesus. Followers are rivers that splash the love of Jesus over other people's faces. For years, preachers have been pouring into learners. Authors, teachers, conference speakers, Bible study and small group leaders, all pouring in. But when does one start to pour out? Become a Jesus follower and you can't help but start pouring out. For the mouth speaks what the heart is full of. Luke 6:45. Challenge. Move from reservoir to river, from learner to follower, from selfish soaker to meaningful mentor. It all starts with a yes to making yourself available to people who are less mature in their lives and their faith, and a no to sitting with your remote control.